Alright, so I'm so excited. I got this in the mail yesterday when I was home all day, and when I was leaving for work, I found it on my porch and I was so mad. I know it got there earlier, but it wasn't supposed to be here until actually today. So I went to work. I was so upset because I didn't get to play with it. But anyways, this is the package it comes in. It's so pretty. It's Life's a Drag palette. This is the Lunar Beauty Manny Life's a Drag palette. It looks like this on the outside, the packaging. So beautiful. Actually, for some reason, I didn't expect this palette to be so big and so pretty, but it's absolutely gorgeous. This palette is huge too. So this is the palette. This is the outside of the palette. Look how huge it is compared to my face. This is huge. It's beautiful. I love the packaging on the outside. I love how shiny it is. And then here's the back, which is so pretty. Lunar Beauty Life's Drag color palette. So we're gonna open it up. It looks like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off of it. It has a mirror, which is really awesome. And then it has all the colors and all the neutral colors as well. So pretty. I really want to swatch them, but the palette is so beautiful that I don't want to mess them up, but we're going to use them anyways. I already took pictures of them and everything, so I really want to use the colorful, bold colors because those are the colors I'm more into normally, like when I'm filming and stuff. I love like neutrals and stuff, but like these aren't my typical neutrals. Like I need like a different crease color. I feel like, well, no, Sickening is a good crease color. I don't know, I might really like these on this side. I feel like because the colorful colors are so bright that I want to use them, but I really want to use the plain ones as well, but I don't know. Okay, I have an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be taking the Morphe M573 brush, and we are going to be, actually, I forgot he comes with a brush as well too. So we'll be using this a little bit later today too. The brush has this side, which is a really pretty side right here, the blending side, and then it has the flat side as well. So ooh, it is really pretty too. Okay, I'm so scared because I literally don't know how to mix these colors together because I'm going to use all of them. So we're just going to go with the flow. So I'm going to be going in with the yellow color right here, and should I do like two different things on both eyes, or should I like... I'm taking the yellow and I'm going to be putting it only on the like inner corner part. It's pretty pigmented. Okay. I'm going to build it up just a little bit, put it on the inner. Alright, now I'm just taking the Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to be going into the light pink color right here. And kind of doing the same thing, but just putting it more like in the middle part. I'm just doing this because I feel like I want to use like all the colors, so I'm going to see how they like all work pretty much. So wow, these are so pigmented. Holy wow, that's awesome. And it makes like, when you blend it into the yellow, it makes kind of like an orange. It's so cool. And the first color, the yellow one's called Campy, and the pink color I'm using right now is Kai Kai. Forgot to say that. Holy wow, that looks so cool together. I'm loving that. Holy wow. I'm gonna go back into the yellow and just kind of enhance and blend a little bit more. And I'm just really making sure to like blend upwards with the pink color so it's not just like a line. Alright, now I'm gonna go into the purple color Pageant Queen with the Morphe R37 brush and just put it on the outer part. And I'm just gonna make like a little circle. Oops, we got some fallout. Literally every time I do my makeup on camera, I always get fallout, no matter what palette it is. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, now I'm just taking this fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the Morphe 504 brush, and just kind of rounding out that purple area so it's all blended and looking nice. And I'm going to go a little bit, just dab a little bit more pink and yellow, just so it's bright. Okay, this looks so awesome. I'm so excited with like the pigment and everything. It looks so cool. The colors are so pretty. I did not expect the yellow and the pink to like blend and make like an orange right there, which like works perfectly. Holy wow, I'm so excited with this. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to be cutting out the crease a little bit and just kind of fading it right here because I really want to use the white color because I don't really have a lot of whites in my palette, so I really want to use it and he says it's the best white, so I'm going to find out. Okay, before moving on to the other eye, I'm just going to take this flat brush and of course dip into the white color without dropping the palette. And we're just going to set over that. Okay, wow, I love how that looks. That white is so pigmented. I'm just taking that purple brush just to kind of like blend through, you know, round it out a little bit. But it looks so good. The colors are so bright. I don't think I have any colors this pigmented. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this Morphe 510 brush and, you know, I'm just going to try out the color Beat right here, which is kind of like a pink shimmery color. I'm going to see how it looks as a highlighter because why not? I am very light skinned, but we're just going to try it. Oh, that actually looks pretty dang good. Okay, that actually looks really good on the skin. I just went and looked at my close-up mirror and it looks really pretty. The color does give like a pink hue to the skin, but it actually looks really, really good. I wasn't expecting it. I was just going to try it out, but it actually looks so pretty. Alright, now I'm going to be taking this Morphe M518 brush. And I'm going to be going into the color... which color I'm going to use? I'm going to go into the darker blue, the color Fishy first, and kind of just rub it right here at the end of my eye. Okay, that is really pigmented. Like, it looks like it has like a little bit of shimmer in it, but it doesn't. It's really pigmented and really pretty. Now I'm going in with the Morphe M433 brush and going into the color Kiki, which is the lighter blue color. And just putting it on the inner corner. Alright, and because I feel like being extra as hell, I'm going to be taking the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. This is just in the color Silver. And I'm going to take a little bit of it on my brow bone and kind of blend it out. And then I think I'm going to try to draw like a wing with it. I don't know. We're going to try. Alright, so I just did the eyeliner off camera. I think it looks pretty good. It kind of looks like white eyeliner and it is bleeding into my crease, but whatever. We're just going to go with the flow. And I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. waterproof mascara and just putting it on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, now I'm going in with the Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the color Antique Pink and just putting this on my lips. And whoa, it's like all over the wand. Alright, that is the completed look using the Manny Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. Holy wow, I absolutely love this palette so far. It looks so good. The colors on the eyes are so bright. They're so pigmented, but they blend out so easily. Oh wow, I've never done a look like this colorful before. But wow, I am loving it right now. So pretty. I can't wait to use the like more neutral colors. So I'll probably do those maybe like another video. I'll do like the more neutral colors, or I'll just do it for like work or something. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next one.